Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today what we're going to be talking to you about is the Alpine A110 and the installation that we've carried out today. So if you're new to our channel, feel free to press the subscribe button by pressing the button below. Keep up to date with all our latest videos. So we carry out a load of videos basically going through a little bit more about the installation on specific vehicles as well as some product reviews. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe and like this video as well. So on this particular install, the customer's travelled to us to have his work carried out from our workshop facilities here in Cambridge. So all our work does get carried out from our beautiful workshop facilities and showroom in Cambridge. Got loads of rooms so your vehicle's well looked after, there's lots of space between vehicles as well. What we're going to be talking through is a little bit more about the solution that we've added on to this particular vehicle. You might find that if your insurance company you bought one of these vehicles and the insurance company has asked you to install a tracker. So you may be looking into it for that reason, or you're just looking to protect your new asset. Both reasons to go for this particular solution. We've done a couple of videos on these tracking systems, but this is going to give you a bit more of an overview on this particular vehicle. So we're a Thatcham approved company. Our installers here at CBS Automotive are Thatcham approved, and the products we use are Thatcham approved as well. Those three things create a very strong product base as well as an installation background for you and your vehicle, so you know your vehicle is in good hands when it is being dropped off here. So if you own one of these vehicles, feel free to get in touch with us. We can run you through all the pricing and in a bit more detail. But what we're going to be talking you through is how our system works on this particular vehicle. So this is what's called the Vodafone S5 VTS tracking system. It's an application that comes on your phone that allows you to track your vehicle via an application called My Connected Car. If you want to see a bit more about what those features are going to give you, you can go onto the App Store or your Play Store if you're an Android user, and you can click on My Connected Car and actually go for a little demo version. And what that will do is actually go through and guide you through all the sort of facilities and features you'd be getting if you went for a system like this. Not only is it a really cool bit of kit in securing your asset, but also one of the main things is that it's Thatcham approved. So your insurance company are going to like it, and it may even reduce your premiums overall on a yearly basis. So in terms of the stolen vehicle tracking, you've got a 24-hour stolen vehicle helpline, but the main thing is this little tag. So these are very small little tag, and the name of this tag is what's called an ADR tag. It's an advanced driver recognition tag. And what it basically means is, even though you have the factory key, if you have this particular fob here, it means your vehicle will start as normal and you won't get phone calls. If you leave this tag, say at home, or the vehicle is started without this tag present, what you'll do from a customer's perspective is you'll get a phone call. That will be from the helpline from Vodafone Automotive that are designated and designed to help you and track down your vehicle. So if you left your fob at home, for instance, you'd be getting a phone call to say, is this vehicle stolen? Are you driving your vehicle? You can either say yes or no. If you're, say, sat in the Bahamas somewhere, your vehicle's locked up in the UK, and you've got your tag with you in the Bahamas, but your car's locked up in your garage and you know nobody else is at home supposed to be driving the vehicle, what you get is a phone call and you can report that vehicle is stolen. Then they'll liaise directly with the police to recover your vehicle. Estimated recovery time on this particular solution is sort of between around 15 to 30 minutes. It's really, really quick, and that speed that it gets recovered in is really down to how efficient the call centre is that are giving you a call to recognise that the tag isn't present, but also the fact that it's a Thatcham approved product, which means it liaises directly with the police and they can recover your vehicle really, really quickly. Generally, what that also means with the speedy recovery is that you actually tend to have less damage to the vehicle overall, just because they actually haven't got to a stage where they're able to cause damage to the vehicle because they've only literally just got down the road. A lot of vehicles that are being stolen, actually the way a lot of people are stealing vehicles now, we see it day in, day out, where customers' cars are being stolen, and what they do is they're not actually just driving them straight to a yard. What they're doing is driving them to the local Tesco or Waitrose, for instance. They drop them at a local supermarket, wait for an hour or so to see if the vehicle is tracked. If the vehicle gets recovered in that time, then they sort of give up at that stage. However, if it's not tracked, what they do is a day later they'll go back, pick up that vehicle and then move it on. So that's a really key thing, that this system would help eliminate that as well, because you've got a really quick response time and get your vehicle recovered very, very quickly. So this is a S5 VTS tracking system, a really, really nice solution that's completely hidden away. We don't disclose where trackers are located on particular vehicles because we're Thatcham approved, and no professional outfit really, in our opinion, should be giving out that information. However, as you know, with ourselves, and if you check out some of our videos as well, we work on a complete variety of vehicles. So if it's not one of these vehicles, feel free to get in touch and we can go through all the options for you on how to secure your asset in the best manner. There might be some different solution that we offer, but generally this is a really, really good, strong tracking system to use. It's really, really reliable as well when we install these day in, day out, and actually they carry on for sort of 10, 15 years, and they keep swapping them out. We did one last week where we actually took a system out that had been in the vehicle for 7 years, and now we're just changing it over to a new vehicle. The system's running perfectly fine and works perfectly well as well. So it's a little bit of an overview on the Alpine A110 and how the tracking system and how we can secure your asset. So thank you very much for watching our video. Again, please don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all our latest videos and of installations that we're carrying out on a day-to-day basis. So thank you, and we look forward to upgrading your Alpine A110 soon. Thank you.